Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making a Middle Eastern dessert recipe. This is called as Basbousa, a baked semolina cake. So into a bowl add in some semolina, some granulated sugar, some baking powder and mix it. This super easy eggless cake has just 4 ingredients. Now add in some room temperature milk and mix it. One cup milk will be just sufficient for this quantity. Initially you may feel it is very less, but keep mixing it slowly. The entire semolina mix will be soaked in milk. Now take a cake tin and you have to grease it with some vegetable oil. Here I have used flavorless vegetable oil. You can also use butter. Now pour in the entire semolina mixture into the cake tin and then level it. Now you have to give this a rest for 1 hour, so cover it with a plate so that the entire milk will be absorbed into the semolina. Now just before baking you can give it a shape. So I'm trying to give a triangle and some diamond shapes to my basbousa. Here I am placing some blanched almonds on top of it. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes and you have to keep the tray on the top rack so that the top portion of the cake will get brown. While it is baking, let's make the simple syrup with 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Once the sugar is completely melted, add in 1/4 portion of lemon juice. This is to avoid crystallization and it also gives a nice tangy flavor. To add more flavor, you can also add some blossom water. Now our cake has beautifully baked and got beautiful brown shades. Now you should pour simple syrup on top of the cake, but before doing it, cut the cake so that the syrup will get fully absorbed into the cake. Once the sugar syrup is fully absorbed, you can serve the cake. This is really a soft and moist dessert, and the 4 ingredients to make this dessert will be currently available in your kitchen right now. So what are you waiting for? Just grab those ingredients and try to make this recipe today itself. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.